Hi everyone, welcome to Creofun. My name is Maria and today we'll be doing a delicious ice cream. Please subscribe to our channel so we can do more artwork together. For today's project we will need a piece of paper, black marker, and then you can use either colored pencils, markers, or I'll be using crayons today. Now let's start. Now we're gonna fold our piece of paper in half. So the easiest way to do it is when you hold, press your finger like this and then just slide the other one down to one side and then to the other. Good. Now we're gonna fold the top part again. I'm gonna use the same technique as we did before. Hold it here and slide one finger up to one side to the other. Good. And that part is done. Rotate it like this so the folded part is on top. Now grab your black marker and we're gonna do like an arch here, and we're gonna do it only on this top part. Here we go. So we're gonna do it right in the middle. And you can decide like how big you want it. Mine is gonna be pretty big. That's good. Just like this. Now here, put a dot very close to the edge. And now we're going to connect one side with this dot and then the other side as well. There we go. Now on this top part, we're going to add like nice this and this. That's beautiful. We kind of have our ice cream already. Now then on this top part, let's add a little bit of decor, and we can add like a cherry. For that we're gonna add like a circle, and there add a line. You can add any other decor, delicious, I should say, decor, what you want. I'm gonna have like small cookies there. That's good. Now if you want, we can even add like chocolate layer. So mine is going to be like this. Of course, we can add a nice, pretty face with like eyes and smile. So, and you can decide how you want it. You can do the eyes closed, eyes open. So you decide. I'm going to do like a different expression. So I colored it and I left like a little bit of white there. And of course, let's add a smile. That's good. Now that's perfect. Now it's time to open it. And let's add more layers. Now let's connect first, like this side with this one. I'm gonna add waves again. That's good. And then from there, let's add like one. We're adding scoops of ice cream. In total, I wanted 4, so that's gonna be 1. That's gonna be number 2, and that's gonna be my 2. And that's gonna be my number 3. So in total is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. Now let's add like nice. Then you decide how you want it. Maybe it's melting. Now, the next thing, let's decide what facial expressions we want. Do you want it all happy? Do you want it with the eyes open or closed? You decide. I'm gonna do this one with the eyes open. And again, I'm gonna leave inside like a white circle. You can add eyelashes if you want. Now this time I'm going to add a smile and maybe with a little bit of like a tongue showing. There we go. Now the next one, let's do the eyes closed. So it's just a little bit like different every single time. So I'm going to do maybe showing eyelashes this time. And let's do a nice big smile like this. That would be beautiful. And the last one, let's do the eyes. Again, why not? Let's do the eyes open. I'm gonna do, and this time I'm kind of looking to the side. And let's let it smile. Oh, so cute. Now let's see. So we're gonna fold it back and see if it's still gonna work. So the idea is, so we have 1 scoop of ice cream, and then we open, and then it's a surprise here, right? Now let's add a little bit of decor here as well. So I'm gonna add like 3 stars, but if you want, you can add hearts or circles, or maybe just nothing at all. You decide how you want it. I'm gonna add, like as I said, 3. Good. Perfect. And now it's time like to color it. Now put your marker aside. And let's start with the cone itself. And I'm gonna use like very light orange. You can use dark yellow or light brown. You decide how you want it. I'm just gonna color it here. Later on, we're gonna add like a nice design to it. For now, let's just color it. Beautiful orange color. Nice. And for it to work, I'll show you the idea. So because we're gonna see a little bit of this color here, so I'm gonna do this layer of ice cream the same color as I did it here. So then it's gonna work when I'm gonna fold it. Before we do that, if you want, we can even add like some nice cheeks here. You can add it here as well. Here, you decide how many. Maybe all of them will have it, or just a few of them. Now I'm gonna continue coloring. Beautiful. Very colorful. Perfect. Now it's time to decide what colors you want to use. I'm gonna use probably like nice pink here, yellow, the green here, but you choose what colors you want to use. The next one that I'm gonna do is yellow. Nice. Good. Now it's time to add like a smile. I'm gonna use like the red color here. And while we do red, I'm gonna do a chair. I'm gonna color it, but I'm gonna leave a little bit of white there on the chair. Not super big spot, just like that. That's good. Now it's time to decide what color you want to use here, and I'm gonna use green. It's like sash or something like that. There are so many different flavors for the ice cream, so you can pick any color, and I'm sure you can find a flavor that will match that color. Even if you pick like purple, there is like lavender ice cream or a bunch of like different berry flavors. Do you know what is the most popular flavor for the ice cream? can probably easily guess. Like, what is your favorite one? Probably, like, yeah, I won't keep it any longer. It's a secret. So it's the most popular flavor is chocolate. Vanilla is super popular as well. And strawberry. That's another good one. That one. That's good. Now it's time to do this top layer. And let's see. I want mine like nice and bright. I'm gonna use this. Good. Now it's time to add this chocolate flavor, and I'm gonna use like a dark brown. You can use any color you want here. All done with this one. Now let's do the cookies, and we can do them like different colors. I'm gonna use like light brown and let's use a little bit different color, so you can use like 2 different colors, or maybe just one color for yourself if you want as well. We can add a little bit of different sprinkles on top of the ice cream here. That color doesn't show too much, so I'm going to use like yellow. Maybe a little bit of pink. Let's see. Now let's see if I can use nice. Oh, that's good. There we go. And while I have it here, I'm gonna do one of the stars. I'm gonna do this nice blue color. And the other star I'm gonna do yellow. And I'm gonna use purple here. You can again use your favorite color. We're almost done. There are just a few more details here in the ice cream that we need to do. So grab a brown color and let's do like lines. Now let's do the lines the other way. That's good. Wonderful. Look, and our ice cream is done. Look at that. So now let's see how it's gonna work. So I have like 1 scoop of ice cream, and then when it's open, it's like this. So we have like a folding surprise here. Look again. Wonderful. Guys, thank you so much for doing this project with me. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.